Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we have the much hyped casting, the Mini GT Roxy, so which is the Porsche 911 GT3 R 2023 IMSA VIRginia Roxy from the AO racing team. I know like everyone is simply crazy about this casting, so let's not waste much time and take a quick look around the box. So we have the plastic box here from Mini GT. The car itself looks really nice, can't wait to unbox it. So the warnings here as expected, and on the back, okay, we can see the Porsche licensing. It is an officially licensed product. Okay, we have the AO Racing Team logo here, and we have the Mini GT one here. Let's unbox it. Let's take a quick moment to appreciate this casting. The color looks beautiful. So this is, I think, my second pink livery car. So the first one is the Barbie Corvette from the Hot Wheels pop culture series. So this is my second pink colored car. Looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't have much words to explain the beauty, and you guys know about it as well. So let's quickly take a look on this. We have the Michelin branded tires. Looks nice. There are no tire marks. Not a deal breaker. Okay, here again the same. The vent details are done really nicely, right? So these vent details that you see look really nice. The tires roll smoothly as expected from Mini GT. Yeah. So we have the green colored mirrors, and yes, they are made of rubber as expected. So yeah, let's go to the front. Oh, this looks so nice. This looks so nice. I don't have much words to say. Okay, so we have the aggressive grill here. So the T-Rex design that we all know, right? That we have seen in Roxy. So that's the same we have here as well. The headlights are, what should I say? They are painted yellow, so which looks cool. The headlights are nice. Of course, these are all acrylic inserts, so nicely done. We have the branding as well, the Porsche logo as well, and the IMSA branding here. Nice detailing here from Mini GT. Again, the ventils are done really nicely, and we have the driver number here on the windscreen. Yes, we have the wiper details, and the Porsche text is written here. Looks nice. Okay, we have the tail detail here, so an iconic look of this casting. And on the back, okay, on the wing we have the AO logo. Looks nice. And what more do we have on the sides? Okay, here also we have the AO logo. Okay, looks really nice. Let's take a quick look around the back as well. Okay, so it clearly says that it's a GTD class car. We have the rear exhaust as well, nicely done. The backlight as well looks nice, I will say. Even though the car is in pink color, the red backlight stands out. It is not too mixed in with the livery. Looks nice. Looks nice. Okay. On this side, we have some branding. So we have the Michelin Tireman and a few others which I really don't know. And here as well, we have the car, means the driver number. Okay, looks nice. Let's look at the bottom. Okay, nothing here. I was expecting maybe some details. So we have the rear diffuser here. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, all fine. I know nobody will bother about it because this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I know everybody wants to have this. Guys, definitely get this casting from wherever you can. Like, this is a beautiful casting. Like, this is a must have. The livery is so cool. Like, you will not get such kind of liveries that easy. And okay, let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, rolls really nicely. Then that's all from this video. See you guys on the next one.